Military technology continues to evolve at an incredible pace. Every year, military organizations adopt newer communication systems, advanced surveillance equipment, sophisticated computing systems, and high-performance technologies to strengthen defense capabilities and improve operational effectiveness. In this presentation, we will explore the importance of secure disposal, how military electronics can be repurposed for civilian use, and why sustainable recycling practices play a critical role in military e-waste management. Military technology is designed to support national defense, communication, intelligence gathering, surveillance, and operational success. Because of this, military electronics often differ significantly from consumer electronics. Military devices frequently contain sensitive operational information, proprietary systems, and specialized components developed specifically for defense purposes. Improper disposal creates serious risks. Sensitive data stored within retired electronics may still be recoverable if proper destruction methods are not followed. At the same time, many military devices contain hazardous materials capable of harming the environment if disposed of incorrectly. Discarding military electronics irresponsibly can create problems involving national security, environmental contamination, and wasted resources. This is why military electronics require specialized disposal programs focused on security, sustainability, and long-term responsibility. Proper management ensures valuable resources are recovered while sensitive information remains protected. One of the most important concerns in military electronics disposal is protecting confidential information. Unlike traditional consumer electronics, military systems often contain highly sensitive data tied to communications, defense strategies, surveillance operations, and national security. Improper disposal creates dangerous vulnerabilities. If unauthorized individuals gain access to retired military equipment, sensitive information could potentially be recovered and exploited. This makes secure disposal absolutely essential. Military organizations must ensure information is permanently removed before electronics leave controlled environments. Several secure destruction methods are commonly used. Degaussing uses powerful magnetic fields to permanently erase stored information. Industrial shredding physically destroys storage devices into small pieces, preventing reconstruction or recovery. For especially sensitive technologies, incineration may also be used to eliminate risks entirely. When national security is involved, there is no room for error. Secure disposal remains one of the most important responsibilities in military e-waste management. Although some military electronics require destruction, many outdated systems can still provide value through repurposing. Repurposing military electronics allows organizations to extend the lifespan of technology while reducing unnecessary waste. Instead of sending functional equipment directly to disposal, devices can often be adapted for civilian use. Communication equipment provides an excellent example. Military radios, satellite systems, and secure networking equipment can be modified to support emergency response teams, disaster relief organizations, and rural communication systems. These technologies may continue serving communities long after their military service has ended. Repurposing creates opportunities to maximize investments while supporting practical civilian needs. It also helps reduce demand for manufacturing entirely new electronics. By giving technology a second purpose, organizations can improve sustainability while reducing environmental impact. High-performance computing systems used by the military often remain valuable even after retirement. Servers, computing equipment, and advanced processing systems may be adapted for educational institutions, research organizations, and public sector operations. Schools and universities may benefit from advanced computing resources that support research, learning, and innovation. Research facilities can also use powerful computing systems to improve scientific and technological development. Military surveillance technologies may also be repurposed responsibly. Cameras, sensors, monitoring devices, and security systems can often support civilian infrastructure protection, law enforcement agencies, and security operations. Rather than becoming waste, these systems can continue delivering value in meaningful ways. Repurposing supports technological advancement while reducing unnecessary disposal and conserving resources. Repurposing military electronics creates several important benefits. One of the biggest advantages is reducing electronic waste. Every piece of equipment successfully reused means one less device entering the waste stream. This reduces disposal needs and helps minimize environmental strain. Repurposing also creates economic benefits. Organizations can reduce costs by adapting existing equipment instead of purchasing entirely new systems. Governments can maximize the return on investments already made in military technologies. Civilian organizations may also gain access to advanced technologies that would otherwise be unavailable or too costly. At the same time, extending equipment lifespan reduces pressure on manufacturing industries and lowers demand for additional raw materials. Reducing waste while creating value benefits both the economy and the environment. Not all military electronics can be repurposed. Many devices eventually require recycling or secure disposal. This is especially important because military electronics often contain hazardous substances such as lead, mercury, and cadmium. Improper disposal can create serious environmental consequences. Toxic materials may contaminate soil, rivers, lakes, and groundwater. Environmental contamination can negatively affect ecosystems, wildlife habitats, and surrounding communities. Human health may also suffer from exposure to hazardous materials. Long-term exposure to toxic electronic waste can contribute to respiratory illnesses, neurological concerns, and other serious health issues. Responsible recycling helps prevent these problems. Proper disposal protects communities while ensuring hazardous materials are safely managed. Environmental protection must remain a major priority in military e-waste management. Military electronics contain far more than hazardous materials. They also contain valuable resources. Gold, silver, copper, rare earth metals, and other reusable materials are commonly found inside military equipment. Throwing away these resources creates unnecessary waste. Specialized recycling programs help recover valuable materials and return them to manufacturing systems. This reduces the need for mining and extraction. Mining operations often create pollution, consume large amounts of energy, and place strain on natural ecosystems. Recovering valuable materials through recycling supports sustainability and resource conservation. At the same time, hazardous substances can be separated and disposed of safely. Military electronics recycling transforms outdated equipment from waste into an opportunity for environmental responsibility. Sustainable military electronics recycling requires strong systems and experienced professionals. Military agencies should work with licensed recyclers that specialize in military-grade electronics. These organizations understand how to safely manage sensitive technologies while protecting the environment. Strict handling procedures improve security and reduce risks. Hazardous materials are processed carefully, sensitive components are securely managed, and reusable resources are efficiently recovered. Structured recycling programs also improve efficiency. Well-organized disposal systems reduce delays, improve compliance, and streamline recycling operations. Long-term planning helps governments and organizations create safer and more sustainable disposal strategies. Building stronger recycling systems benefits both national security and environmental protection. Public-private partnerships play an important role in improving military electronics recycling efforts. Governments, military organizations, and private recycling companies all bring valuable expertise to the process. Licensed recyclers help provide specialized facilities, advanced recycling technology, and secure disposal methods. Government agencies contribute oversight, regulation, and long-term planning. Working together improves disposal outcomes. Partnerships also support innovation. Collaborative efforts encourage the development of safer recycling methods, more efficient technologies, and stronger environmental protections. Research into eco-friendly materials and better system design may further improve sustainability in the future. No organization can solve military e-waste challenges alone. Cooperation creates stronger, safer, and more effective recycling systems. The future of military electronics recycling begins long before equipment reaches disposal. Manufacturers should prioritize recyclability during the design process. Electronics designed for easier disassembly improve material recovery and reduce waste. Modular systems offer another important advantage. Upgradable technologies allow individual components to be replaced instead of discarding entire systems. This extends product lifespan and reduces electronic waste generation. Eco-friendly materials can also reduce environmental risks. Safer components support sustainability while lowering disposal concerns. By improving how military electronics are designed, organizations can reduce long-term waste challenges and improve sustainability outcomes. Smarter planning today creates stronger environmental results tomorrow. Repurposing and recycling military electronics is about far more than waste management. It is about protecting national security, protecting the environment, conserving valuable resources, and maximizing the usefulness of important technologies. Secure disposal helps eliminate risks associated with confidential military information. Repurposing extends the value of outdated equipment. Responsible recycling reduces environmental harm and supports sustainability. The future of military e-waste management depends on strong partnerships, smarter recycling systems, and long-term planning. By investing in responsible solutions today, governments and organizations can ensure military technology continues benefiting society long after its original service life has ended. A more sustainable and secure future begins with responsible action. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about repurposing and recycling old military electronics. Responsible military electronics management protects sensitive information, reduces environmental harm, and helps conserve valuable resources. Whether through secure destruction, technology repurposing, or sustainable recycling, responsible action helps create better outcomes for everyone. If your organization needs secure and environmentally responsible electronics recycling solutions, we are here to help. Because repurposing and recycling military electronics responsibly helps protect national security, reduce waste, and create a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come.